Hello everyone. In the previous video, we completed the implementation of Zoho Books, where we added different business transactions such as sales invoices, purchase bills, expenses, and payments. Now in this video, we will move to the reports section and see how the data we entered during the implementation is reflected in different financial reports. These reports help us analyze the income, expenses, and overall financial position of the business. First, let's open the profit and loss report. Go to the Reports module, click on Business Overview, and then click on Profit and Loss. Now first we will select the date that we want to analyze. Since our implementation date was March 2025, we will select the date range the 1st of January 2025 to the 31st of December 2025. Then click on the Generate button. Now our profit and loss report has been generated. This report shows the income and expenses of the business for a selected time period. For example, during the implementation process, we added sales invoices, which are recorded as income. We also added purchase bills and business expenses, such as operational expenses. Now in the profit and loss report, we can see the total income generated from sales and the total expenses incurred by the business. By comparing these two values, Zoho Books calculates the net profit or net loss of the business. This helps us understand the overall performance of the company. Now let's move to the balance sheet report. Go to the Reports module and click on Balance Sheet Report. Just like the profit and loss report, we will select the date range and generate the report. The balance sheet shows the financial position of the business at a specific date. During the implementation, we added different transactions such as bank entries, purchases, and sales. Because of these transactions, the balance sheet now shows different components such as assets, including bank balances and inventory. Liabilities, such as outstanding bills or payable amounts. Equity, which represents the owner's investment and retained earnings. The balance sheet helps us understand what the company owns and what the company owes. These reports are very important because they help businesses make better financial decisions. After completing the implementation, the report section automatically summarizes all the transactions and presents them in a structured format. This allows business owners to easily monitor their profitability and financial stability. This completes the Zoho Books implementation reporting overview, where we analyzed the profit and loss and balance sheet reports based on the transactions entered during the implementation process. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment.